ASML has surged plus 4.72% to $1,705.37. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Wednesday, June 3rd, and this is your complete global market briefing. A range-bound session is developing. Equity markets are responding to reports that tech weekly, software earnings help S&P 500 hit 8th week of gains, Investing News Network. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,609.78. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ hit records as tech stocks surge on RECX.org. NASDAQ 100 ticked up plus 0.48% to $30,661. Equity markets are responding to reports that tech weekly, software earnings help S&P 500 hit 8th week of gains, Investing News Network. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.45% at $51,308. Equity markets are responding to reports that tech weekly, software earnings help S&P 500 hit 8th week of gains, Investing News Network. DAX is down minus 1.02%, trading at $24,867. The move follows reports that tech weekly, software earnings help S&P 500 hit 8th week of gains, Investing News Network. FTSE 100 is trading lower by minus 0.29%, at $10,344. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. ASML made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.72% to $1,705.37. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.17% to $441.31. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and RE Strength Fuel's third quarter results, Microsoft source. Alphabet made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.86% to $361.85. Equity markets are responding to reports that this RE stock has everything I look for in a long-term winner. Here's my case. The Motley Fool. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.30% to $360,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over 8-fold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that tech weekly, software earnings help S&P 500 hit 8th week of gains, Investing News Network. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that tech weekly, software earnings help S&P 500 hit 8th week of gains, Investing News Network. Turning to commodities. Brent crude climbed to $98.75 per barrel, up 2.86% on the session. The move follows reports that oil, crude, price forecast for today, tomorrow, next week, and next 30 days, light finance. WTI crude surged to $96.67 per barrel, up 3.1% on the session. The move follows reports that oil, crude, price forecast for today, tomorrow, next week, and next 30 days, light finance. Natural gas climbed to $3.24, up 2.43% on the session. The move follows reports that tech weekly, software earnings help S&P 500 hit 8th week of gains, Investing News Network. Gold slipped to $4,476 per troy ounce, down 0.29% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold's safe haven appeal weakens, StoneX. Let us give you our near-term view on ASML. From a momentum perspective, The next key resistance for ASML sits around $1,807.69. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, losing 0.16% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.09% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.79, gaining 0.1% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Commission discusses gas and oil supply risks with EU countries as the conflict in the Middle East reaches a 3-month mark. Energy.europa.eu. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, it genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments, are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.